Are you a fashion enthusiast exploring career option in fashion industry? Do you love styling your friends and wants to make a career out of it? Well, hi there. My name is Khushbu Rajoria and I'm a fashion stylist. I haven't been into fashion industry for a really long time, but I have been through that phase very recently where we have so many questions related to what fashion styling is, what does a fashion stylist do, question related to its scope, eligibility, and even earning. You'll find a lot of YouTube videos on how you can become a fashion stylist, but honestly, I couldn't find a video explaining what actually is fashion styling. So in this video, I'm going to tell you all you need to know about fashion styling. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and like the video if you like it. A fashion stylist is an image or a fashion consultant and not a fashion designer, for God's sake. A lot of people confuse fashion stylist with a fashion designer. A fashion designer design clothes while a fashion stylist style clothes. And by styling, I mean choosing the most appropriate outfit, and not just outfit but also accessories, footwear, the kind of hair and makeup that goes with the look, and putting a look together for a model in photo shoots, ad campaigns, for music videos, concert performances. It can be for actors in films, for red carpet, for fashion shows, any public appearances made by a public figure, or even for a personal client they work with. And this is not it. Being a fashion stylist, you have to sometimes and mostly take care of the background and the props for the shoot. There are different categories under fashion stylist, namely product stylist, there is personal stylist, editorial stylist, there is wedding stylist, prop and set stylist, and wardrobe consultant. There are different jobs to perform under different categories, and if you wish to know more about it in detail, you can watch my next video in which I have explained all the career paths you have in fashion styling. A lot of people have this question regarding the eligibility for fashion styling course. In my case, I did my graduation in Bachelor's in Business Administration, which I don't regret because it took me a little time to figure out what I want to do. Plus, having a strong base in management is a plus point because management is important in all the industry. But if you have made your mind that this is something that you want to do, you can do an undergraduation course in fashion styling, and then if you wish, you can opt for post-graduation course as well. Other than this, there are several diploma courses available which are like for 6 to 7 months long, and some colleges also offer very short-term courses that last for like 3 to 4 months, certification courses. Other than this, there are online courses available, which, considering the pandemic, is quite feasible to do. But in my opinion, there is a limit to what you can learn online in fashion styling since it's a very creative field. And ultimately, you will have to go out, shoot, build a team of photographer, makeup artist, and models. For that, it's better to do an on campus course, especially from those institutes which already have courses in photography and makeup artists are there in the institute, and then there is designing course. So it's really easy to collaborate, on campus, make a team and do shoots. Another question that people ask is, does a fashion stylist earn good money? Well, it depends totally on an individual. If you are passionate enough, there are great opportunity as a fashion stylist. But if you think that you graduate and end up getting package in lakhs, trust me, it's nothing like that. You'll have to intern under industry expert and have to gain practical knowledge. Advice would be to do as many shoots as you can, build an amazing portfolio, work under industry expert, and learn from the best. Initially, you will have to spend money on your shoots because you'll have to hire a makeup artist, a photographer, a model, and if you're sourcing dresses, then you'll have to pay there as well. But really, you'll start earning. If you're a freelancer, initially you may earn from rupees 1,000 to 5,000 per shoot. And lastly, regarding the scope of fashion stylists, fashion styling has a great scope, but fashion industry is highly competitive and ever-changing. If you have an affection for creativity and style, a career in fashion styling is one of the best options made for you. Fashion styling is very fascinating and exciting career option in today's world. It has a wide scope in India as well as abroad.
So all the best to you guys.
That's all in this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hit me with some questions in the comment section below and I'll be so happy to answer all your questions. See you guys in the next video.